Hello, it's Elmer Watson. Figured I'd do a video today on the observation tower. I'm gonna climb to the top of that and catch a video, so we're gonna try her out. A lot of steps to go. Give you some views as I'm going. Pretty butterfly down there flying around. Oh, look how beautiful. We got a little bit more to go. I've been wanting to come up here to do a video. And here we go. Beautiful. Just look. Only in West Virginia where you get these views. Got a little bit of a cold. And people just do so much nasty things to beautiful stuff. Graffiti all over. So upsetting. Listen how beautiful up here. Alright. I'm gonna jump off of here and let you all get back to what you're doing. If you would like, share, and subscribe to my channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. So I enjoy doing stuff like this, you know. Some I enjoy doing is getting out in the wilderness and doing videos and, you know, doing some hunting videos and different things like that. But I'll show you something real pretty real quick if I can draw it in. I can't see good off my camera, but there's some pines over there. So pretty. Alright. God bless you all. And thanks for all the views I'm getting. And subscribers. You all help me out and it makes me feel good when I I get subscribers and my views. So, all right. Bye-bye now.